You've probably seen videos of people trying to clone Among Us using just AI, and they usually turn out pretty mid, but I can guarantee you this is going to be the best clone you've ever seen, and I'm going to make it 3D. And don't worry, I'll show you guys the complete process start to finish, where we'll put together a map, then the characters, and then bring it all together for a complete game. All right, to start, I'm going to have ChatGPT write a full description, which I can put into Claude so we can build this game. Okay, so I typed up a prompt where I said, describe Among Us as if you were talking to a developer who wanted to make the game 3D, and your job is to be super detailed in terms of the design, the placement of things, and the gameplay. And just to make this even better, I'm gonna go find some pictures. Okay, I grabbed 2 pretty good pictures and I'm going to send this in. All right, not going to lie, chat cooked up with this. This prompt is super long, so I'm going to bring this into Claude. All right, so I threw this in Claude. I have this set to Opus 5, which is currently the best model, and I have this set to Extra. So let's click send on this. All right, now while Claude's working, I'm going to be generating our 3D models for our characters. And I found a pretty good picture of an Among Us character, so I'm just going to drag and drop this into the upload and then just click generate model. All right, that legit took like 30 seconds and this looks perfect. Now let's just export this and bring it back to Claude. All right, before I could bring our new models back in, the first version finished up, so let's try this out. This is sick, so we can set all these settings in the lobby and actually pick a color. All this looks good to me, so let's click start. Okay, we got crewmate. There's 1 imposter among us. Yo, this map looks insane. Right off the bat, I think the main thing I'm going to fix for our next version is actually make it first person. But let's go see if the map actually lines up to the real map. Okay, medbay's got a door into the cafeteria, so we definitely need to fix that. And it looks like when players walk out of the room, they just disappear. Okay, oxygen depleted. It looks like the imposters ran a sabotage. Okay, it's gone right away. Okay, looks like a dead body just got reported. Who is sus? We got some interesting names here. Let's vote out Quill. Vote. Okay, it looks like everybody skipped. All right, so it looks like the main things we really need to fix are making this map accurate. And then what I want to do is go in and try to get 3D models for everything. But let's see if I can actually complete a task. Looks like this red box is a task. Fill canister. Okay, honestly, not bad. Okay, so 1 task complete. Looks like the other crewmates are doing theirs. And electrical is an absolute mess. This definitely needs to be fixed. Okay, another dead body reported. I want to see what it looks like when the imposter kills someone, so let's see if we can find that live. These models definitely need a lot of work. This thing looks like a helicopter. And the problem is I can only use it right here. When I walk to the side of it, can't use it. So let's see. We can shoot the asteroids. Honestly, these tasks are pretty impressive. I definitely want to make them look even better, but for a start, this is super strong. Okay, another reactor meltdown. I don't even know where that is, but we have a little map icon here, and it looks like reactor is left side. Also, if you guys want to try out this build and the ones I make following this, make sure you guys join my Discord down in the description. Okay, another dead body reported. The imposters are definitely going to win this round. I got no idea, so I'm going to vote Nova. Overall, super satisfied with this first version, but let's get back into Claude and make some real fixes. All right, back in Claude, and this might be my best prompt ever. I attached our 3D model, and I gave it a few pictures of what the map looks like and what the UI should look like. And so I said the most important thing you need to do is make sure the map is precisely the scaled from Among Us. And then I said this game needs to actually be in first person. And so I said you need to make sure it feels like you're in Among Us with the textures and the aesthetics of the map. And also another shortcoming I noticed was that players would disappear when they walked out of the rooms. And also I want the bots to act much more natural, do tasks. And if you get killed, it should be because the imposter's kill timer cooled off. And if you're in front of them and know that you're alone, they'll actually go forward and kill you. And the other bots should just naturally come across the body. And they should only vote the imposter if someone else saw the murder or was close when it happened. So I'm going to shoot this in. And while we wait, it would mean a lot if you guys could hit that like and subscribe button because it helps the channel out a lot. All right, version number 2 is done, so let's click play and start. Okay, we got the imposter, so let's try this out. All right, this first person mode actually looks insane. And it looks like our other imposter is having some trouble, but let's click X to sabotage, and I'll click O2. We'll see if that works. Now, if I click Q, I can kill another one of these guys. Looks like they're getting stuck. Next fix is I need to make sure that the bots don't get stuck. All right, let's skip the vote here. Okay, so our kill cooldown is at 9 seconds, so let's find somebody to kill. All right, this guy's in the room here. Let's get him. Okay, he's dead. I want to see if I just stand over the body and somebody else finds it, what will happen? Okay, the other imposter's coming. Will he report the body? Okay, no, he won't, but somebody else is coming. He just jumped right in the vent. Okay, I might do that too. F. Okay, so nobody's gonna get this. All right, somebody found it. Let's see if they vote me out now. Not sure who did it, so let's skip. Okay, they have no idea. Also, the main issue that I'm going to fix before we get the perfect clone is that this map isn't even the real map. Like, for some reason, it didn't use the pictures I gave it. So I'm going to fix that. But something really cool is it actually used 3D models and threw in some interesting looking things. The only problem is I have no idea what this is. I don't know why we have a wire connection in the middle, and they did not make this one too hard. But overall, not bad. I'm very optimistic that our next version will be a final perfect clone of Among Us. Let's sabotage the lights one more time, and let's kill one of these guys. Fizz, get over here. Okay, so they found a dead body. I wonder if he killed in front of them. Let's see if they vote for him. Okay, one person saw it, but wasn't enough. And these guys aren't even getting close to the task in the top left. Let's take this dude out. I definitely need to fix these bots to make sure they don't get stuck. Okay, this guy's right here. Let's just kill right in front of this guy. Okay, did he hear that? Oh. We got Corvo over here. No idea. All right, I'm going to kill a guy directly inside of him. Okay, instant report. All right, I'm just going to take out the rest of the players and see what happens when you win. All right, looks like another guy got stuck. So we need to make it so if they start running in the same spot for a long time, they should turn around. Okay, it looks like we just won here. So let's get back and make our final version. All right, back in Claude, and this is our final prompt, so it needs to be good. But the two things we need to fix is the map and the bots. For the map, I'm going to go grab a picture and then just type a quick prompt. All right, I just said our current map needs to be fixed. And in the first reference photo I attached, it's an exact floor plan. And then for the bots, I'm going to say, make sure the bots don't get stuck on anything and they need to act more natural. And just to make sure this prompt goes well, I'm going to find even more images. All right, I found some actual 3D builds of the Among Us map on the internet and threw those in. So let's send this in. And while we wait, if any of you guys are serious about AI game development, I started a community where I share the best prompt strategies, game engines, and ways to monetize AI-built games. So make sure you check that out down in the description. All right, guys, this is our final playtest. I got the imposter, but I'm going to show you guys around the full map. Yo, this map actually looks insane. If I click tab here, we can see the layout looks right for the most part. Let's call it sabotage real quick. O2. Okay, and let's check out this map. I want to see how it did with each of the rooms. So we got admin here. Yo, this is insane. We got the card swipe here. Got a little vent. Looks like I can't go in this vent, but there's another vent here, I think. Yeah, for some reason I can go in this one and hop out on a random part of the floor over here. Okay, let's try killing someone. Okay, 2 imposters. Can't kill these guys. I'm going to kill right on top of this guy. Okay, insta report. This guy might actually know it's me because I did it right in front of him. Okay, he still has no idea. Got 1 vote. All right, let's check out the other part of the map here, like medbay, security. Really curious to see how it did. This is insane. I actually can't believe this. All right, let's see how security looks. Yo, that's insane. We got the security thing on the floor here. This is just super impressive. Okay, dead body reported. Okay, it looks like somebody got stuck here. I'm gonna wait for my kill timer to go down and see if I can kill him through the wall. But in the meantime, let's go check out and see how electrical looks. I think that's the real test. If this thing gets electrical right, you know the AI game developers are just cooked because Claude's just one-shotting Among Us. Or I guess 3-shotting, but still. Super, super clean. Yo. Okay. This is super, super good. Wow. We got everything here. I am so blown away by this. This is just, I think this is the most insane replica of Among Us I've seen, especially being in 3D. So let me know down in the comments if you guys agree. But yeah, I feel like we've kind of seen everything we need to see here. But if you guys want to learn how to build games with AI or are a serious AI game developer, make sure you check out my community down in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one.